All right, guys, so sticking true to their word, Microsoft has updated the Surface Duo to the July security patch. Now, this is something that you just go into your settings here. I've updated mine already. You go into your settings, you can go to System, you can go here, click there, and it'll let you know where you're at. So I am already on the July security patch, as you can see. But I think this is good because Microsoft is kind of paving the way right now by kind of becoming that comeback kid. Because this device caught a lot of heat. It is still catching a lot of heat from a lot of people, but the people who have it are simply enjoying it. There are some things like all devices. I think people are kind of overdoing it now when it comes to the software of this device. As far as like bugs and things like that, I don't have any bugs. Like the last bug I had was that black screen on this side, and that was with the June security patch. But after that, even before that, it's never been as buggy as it was when I bought it last year. Since they've gotten it up to the June security patch, pretty much it should be stable for you. You shouldn't have a bunch of problems with this thing. And if you do, try an application removal. Try to check your software. Try to check something in your system. Because right now, I don't believe a lot of people are reporting that many issues. I just feel like some people are still riding the coattail and riding the train like most people do that have never purchased it and just complaining just to complain for the sake of just talking and getting in the comments and stuff like that. So July security patch is here. No surprise that it should make the device even smoother. My device is super smooth already. I haven't had any issues with just the overall experience and software. I was talking about that earlier online. I was like, man, this device just feels so smooth. And it's just one of those things, man. I think you'll be hard pressed to say that you're having a lot of issues with this device right now. And I just feel like they've done a good job. At least they're sticking true to their word and sending out these security patches, and it's actually fixing the device. Now, I'm going to answer a question. People are asking, should you go ahead and buy the current Surface Duo, or should you buy the next version of it? I'm like, it really doesn't matter about the next version because it's not here yet. Remember, they announced this device a year before launch. They announced it in 2019, and then they stuck true to their word and released it a year later in 2020. So currently, there's talks of the codename Zeta. Okay, let me say this real quick. There's a bunch of leaks out there with this jumbo-sized camera, folks. That is a Photoshop. That is not what the Surface Duo 2 looks like. It just doesn't. So don't look at a lot of these leaks out here because they're straight up fake. But I will say that if you're planning on getting the Surface Duo, I think that Microsoft is going to update this device because they owe it to their consumers who hung in with this device. They know that people don't buy devices like every year, and so they want you to get the best out of your device, I will hope. So I'm going to tell you that if you're in the market for the Surface Duo, just buy this Surface Duo. Because if you're looking for something with, if you want to use the argument, I got to have the best camera, so it doesn't have this, it doesn't have that, look elsewhere, because this device has been ripped apart by myself, several other creators. It can get the job done, and it's more than enough device for most people. I mean, if you're looking for a foldable device, this is probably your best premium hardware of any of them, in my opinion. I like the hardware on here. Some people say it's just two phones stuck together. All of that conversation, I don't even pay any attention anymore because, again, those are just people talking about the device that don't have it. This device is premium and it's functional as well. It's not just a good looking device or a nice premium looking device. It is a functional device. It will get your work done, period. That's it. So the update is here. If you were in the market for the Surface Duo and you're wondering about updates, they're doing it, man. They are doing the updates. So up to you to decide what you want to do. But we are on the July security patch, and it looks like, even though we're at the end of July almost, where it's like July 26th, they're doing it. They're getting them in as quick as they can, and that's the best that we can hope for those that are willing to hang on to this device. Because, again, I'm not having any software issues. I did have that black screen on the left side at the beginning of when I first got the June patch, but that ended quickly. It only happened maybe 4 or 5 times, and that was it. So it's your man Jay. Check your device. you've got an update waiting for you. See you in the comment section. Take care.